Pistol. But on my mind, nigga, yeah. Two guns at the kid, two guns at the head, two guns at the kid. Yeah, two guns at the kid, two guns at the head, two guns at the kid. Yeah, this is Valley. Yeah, ready. Big bad in the hood, something you know this what it set me. With this game, come on, dog, so I gotta stay ready, stay strapped up, you already know, get deadly. Come on, dog, so rap, but you niggas ain't scared of me yet. Until I catch you in the street, y'all niggas become targets. You already know, you knock your head off now, you dripping blood like you dripping sweat. Motherfucker ain't no love, nigga. Can't get it back like I can't get my good days. Already did lay on my back, got stabbed, nigga. You already know that all day. You're the son, and I'm always gonna say what I say now. What you gonna do? Come on, dog, rep the game. You already see that rap it heavy. Little niggas over, know the game is mine, son. Got to keep that rapping on me, motherfucker. Hold up, niggas in know the business with a pistol. Show them two guns, nigga. Yeah, nigga, you already know I'm that master. A destructible to death, the darkness, you already know some cut faster. The way I start to spark heads, these little niggas, they bastards. Come on, son, they can't run past this. Cause I would just blast clips, knocking niggas head down. You know, questions, so don't ask it, motherfucker. You already know you ready to die. Yeah, I asked that. Little niggas come on, son, we're ready to lie, nigga. Two guns at the kid, two guns at the head, two guns at the kid. Two guns at the kid, two guns in the head, two guns at the kid. Boy, born to rape, born to kill. Motherfucker, fuck that love shit, boy. That shit ain't real. Niggas all on black, nigga on burning hot like a demon in the motherfucker pack. With your batty pocket sliced up like a motherfucking samurai sword, machete, whatever you sign. You make your insides look like spaghetti. Motherfucker come around old head like my little old friend Miss Betty. Little nigga kiss you on your face, you dead to me. Fuck around in the hood, sell me disgrace. I'm a little pistol nigga. You better recognize who you face with these two guns in your motherfucking game, nigga. Get prepared to get in this race, get in this place. Bitch ass nigga got the death coming with a race. Yeah, for everybody that's breathing. These motherfuckers don't believe me, so they trying to keep me in church, keep the preacher preaching. Cause you already know me, boy, freestyle units when I'm featuring. Cause I ain't giving a damn, cause this is who I am, the MOB, your mob life. Niggas stay ready, I'm on the top, you come around down, chop you up, chop the game on the lot. Little niggas with the axe, you already know what that means, son, so vicious with it. So notorious, son, to put me on the north, son, to put the terrible story and shit. Come on, son, looking at me like a motherfucking fairy tale snitch, nigga. Come on, dog, y'all you dare to me. You dare to play me, motherfucker. Hold up, you must be crazy. Like you said I was, but nigga, I'm insane. Yeah, motherfucker, see these guns in my hand, I ain't playing. Ran for a motherfucker to come play me like a fool. Boy, call the police, the nigga with an attitude. About to show you how he fuse. Kill you, nigga, I can't refuse. Niggas on the new side, I execute. That's what I'ma choose to do. Bitch ass nigga, hear my voice through the speaker. Cause niggas, I ain't giving a damn. I ain't talking low, so if I am, I will speak it up. Come on, dog, slow nigga, hurry up, why don't you speed up? Little nigga, soaked up, get your motherfucking ass beat up. Little nigga, I'm the kid from the hillside. Little nigga, step across the line, you will die in your rap. Two guns at the kid, two guns in your head, two guns at the kid. Two guns at the kid, two guns in your head, two guns at the kid. Yeah, people say no pistol, why you never smile? Why you all grimy up nigga, son? Look at my life, son, my lifestyle. Shit is crazy, right? I used to love this game, you already know, son. Look at they used to love me young, like I used to love my life. Even though I always was suffering, struggling like a big son, really had nothing. I came back to the motel, had 10 digits. $10,000, son, remember this? Come on, son, got bitches, but they ain't licking my dick like lizards. Come on, dog, they still just picking my pocket, son, like taking pictures. Fuck that, son, they wanna give me that for me to beat my dick, son, yeah, can I get your pussy wet? Fuck that. You already know, like, people watching porn, that's what I'm doing. So you already know them shitting shots, I'm shitting too many warnings. I want all them pussy niggas not to play with me, gun. You already know they hear the storming. The demon darkness, music in the hood, son, you know how I do. Freestyle Junior, little nigga, go ahead, keep assuming. The little pistol is a skinny nigga that won't start shooting. Come on, dog, I love it. I come around when trigger happy like a motherfucker, especially when I'm in the public. Wanna work at Wendy's. These little niggas fucking around, young. They fucking with the kids, son. They're singing to semi. Automatic shotguns and get them, young. Bitch niggas get passing it. Riding the whip, tinted windows and shit. Little no grams, come on, son. Taking 10 feet, Mitch Mac, motherfucker. Yo, you know, son, get the strap under them covers, bitch ass niggas know I'm ready. I told him, God, keep on repeating that, bitch nigga. Just remind me, little niggas, God. I'm like Freddy. I'm a nightmare in this game, nigga. 2 guns at the kid, 2 guns in your head, 2 guns at the kid. 2 guns at the kid, 2 guns in your head, 2 guns in your kid. Look at me, and then you think I'm crazy, right? You think I am making history, this rap life, this mob shit. Niggas got me really burning hot. Cause y'all know I feel the flame the way y'all toss at me. Come on, dog, talk shit really. Y'all niggas silly. Little niggas, get your witnesses to listen to this. Cause I don't give a fuck with their hands, son, they really missing. Like the missiles about to bust this motherfucker loose, nigga. Listen to me. Come on, dog, this shit ain't fake, nigga. Like you fucking weak ass shit, weak stories. These little niggas come peek at me, son, and start boring me. Come on, son, this shit boring me. Come on, sound like a born big time story. Put your ass in the game, put you in the game like young. You looking worried. I thought you was hard, young. Come around the way, Baltimore bitch ass niggas. You think you can't run? Come on, dog. Why? We show me sure you got a gun. Come on, dog. I got 2, nigga. No more curry 1. Come on, little nigga. Keep playing with me. Cock this metal. You hear that shit that's still in your face, son. Now I'ma tear him up. It's the last battle you wanna fuck with. Little nigga like a World War III, son. Come on, dog, they wanna fuck with the kid. Come on, son, till they dead. You already know God missing, motherfucker. Yeah. 2 guns at the kid, 2 guns in your head, 2 guns at the kid. Yeah, 2 guns at the kid, 2 guns in your head, 2 guns at the kid. Put the burners away. Got the officers say, when a little pistol to back down in the game, son. Should I say, yeah, you already know it's the MOB. Let the shit raise like a motherfucker felony. They about to pass the boy, yeah, right to the charges. Take me to court in the game, son. Now, put me behind her bars. Yeah, just for life sentence. No more freedom. Ain't no freedom in this bitch, come on, son, but I don't need them. Come on, dog, you know how I do it. Block walking around, I'm bleeding. But not literally, son, cause ain't nobody touching me, son. They too weak, man. They're a bunch of weaklings. They literally see you every day, especially the motherfucking weekend. Something special about that shit. Come on, ran away, son. Come on, I'm catching your eyes like a motherfucking parrot. Come on, dog, little niggas coming around, son. They won't let me stay private. So that's why I'm loading guns up, son, and show you how I'm sliding, and show you, dumb, I've been going through and do this over a couple of decades. I'm 38, come on, son, and shit ain't get on my way. You already know, so now it's how to battle you motherfuckers, son. Put the burners in your face. You come up in the church raising, see the tattoos, motherfucker. This is what I prove, when I rap the mob life to the death. Even when I'm dead, keep on telling a nigga that I'm keep coming back. Like that resurrection, step me back in the game, son. You see me, boy, you should've took me down like EE session. I'm a fucking baddie boss. The niggas only shit me on the side and the back, son. But yeah, that's how the problem had to start. And then the family betrayed me. And then these pussy ass niggas out here, we all enemies. Especially these little niggas at the hillside motel, little nigga, they talking gently. Looking at little skinny pistol like he's so skinny. Listen to me talking loud, you already know respectfully. Come on, dog, man, you trying to play me. Come on, dog, nigga, hold up. MOB in this motherfucker, son. I'm ready to shoot the game loose. Niggas don't know the truth until I see them through the darkness. I come around, son. Yeah, MOB, nigga. Yeah. 2 guns at the kid, 2 guns in the head, 2 guns at the kid. Two guns at the kid, two guns in the head, two guns at the kid. Two guns at the kid, two guns in the head, two guns at the kid. Two guns at the kid, two guns in the head. No pistol. Two guns at the kid, nigga. Two guns in your motherfucking head, nigga. Smart life, no pistol. The gun in your motherfucking brain, bitch. Yeah.